After raining for continuously 3 days, this is the condition of this beautiful plant right now. Beautiful weather. This is Podina. I think I already shared about this yesterday. It's growing beautifully. This is it's beautiful. It's just beautiful, isn't it? Very beautiful weather. Very beautiful weather. I cannot explain about it. You can see the wind. The plants are moving. See? Rain is going on. Rain is going on, and wind is also going on. You can see the plants are moving. You can imagine about the wind.